how to create a landing page in WordPress. But before that, if you don't know what is WordPress, it is a highly popular open source content management system that powers a significant portion of websites on the internet, in which it is a versatile platform for creating and managing websites of all types, including e-commerce stores, portfolios, forums, and more. So now to start creating a landing page, you could also navigate here on the left side panel some of the options. We have here home, stats, upgrades, posts, but just proceed by simply going to the appearance section in here to look for a specific kind of theme we want to customize. And as you can see, some of the theme in here are offered for free, while some of these need to have an upgrade account in order to use it. Let's say I'm going to click this theme called Retrospect, and by clicking on it, it will show us in here that it is offered for free. All you need to do is simply click this activate button to proceed editing it. But since I've already had create an account, we can now proceed by simply going back on this page once again, since I've already have this Marl website. So to start customizing it, just click on the top panel and click this visit site option. By simply clicking on it, we'll automatically be directed in this website. And to start customizing it, just click the edit site button on the top panel of it. And by doing so, you can now start customizing and start creating a landing page in here. As you can see, we can navigate here the design option, the style, but by clicking these all pages, we can start creating here or add a new page, or if you want to delete one, just simply click the three dots in here and click move to trash. And upon moving it to trash, we can now start adding another new page that we prefer to create a landing page. So once again, just do the same process or go back to this page once again and click this add a new page button in here and simply enter here the title of the page. For example, I'm going to enter landing page and click create draft to proceed. Then it will show us in here that we have now this landing page, but we can start customizing the name of it if you want to, or the title of it. For example, from here I'm just going to enter the name of my landing page, which is men's shoes collection, and below we can start adding here a content or block. On the left side panel we have here paragraph, heading, but at this point I'm just going to enter here or select these images or gallery. You can upload one by one an images by clicking on it and click upload and select the media files from your computer, or alternatively you could also navigate to choose the gallery. But for instance, we're going to upload here, for example, one by one an images, and upon uploading it, it will show us in here the result. So you can start resizing it by simply dragging the corner of it in here. And as you can see, we have now successfully added here the images. And we could also start adding a new one if you want to by doing the same process. So now as you can see, I've now successfully added here 3 different kind of images of the shoes. But if you just want to upload a gallery for it, you can click the gallery option on the block section on the left side panel in here. Click under the styled gallery, this upload button, and select all of the images in here by clicking this media library, then simply select here the 3 picture or images that we just selected and click insert gallery below. And now as you can see, it is now currently added in here. Now we can start deleting the uploaded images before and start adding once again below here some other context or description of this collection or the images. And again, you can use some of the editing tools on the block section. For example, I'm going to add here a paragraph below these images. You can simply drag it down below here, and upon clicking on it, just simply enter the description or text in here about these shoes. But as you can see, I just enter here a simple quote, and below we can add here a new button, and using again the block section on the left side panel, we can search or look for the button in here, and you can find the button section under this design section in here. Just click this button and drag it below the context in here. So this button will serve as the buy option. When a customer tries to click this button, they will automatically be directed on the page where they can purchase this collection or these shoes. So at this point, I'm just going to enter here a text that says buy now. Then you can click on it and start clicking the link option to link your store. So basically, when a customer tries to click the link or this button buy now, they will automatically be directed on the link that you attach in here, where they can simply purchase this kind of product. Since that's the main purpose of creating these landing pages, which is a tool for driving targeted traffic, capturing leads, and increasing conversions. So if you're now done, just click the publish button on the top right corner to save the changes or publish it in your website. So overall, that is just basically how to create a landing page in WordPress.